Imagine if you could instantly tell whether a piece of text was written by a human or generated by artificial intelligence. In an age of AI-driven content, this might seem like a superpower, and Google just took a huge step to make it a reality. They've open-sourced a watermarking tool for AI-generated text, meaning anyone can now use, adapt, or improve this technology to track and verify AI-created content. So, what exactly is Google's watermarking tool, and why does it matter? Think of it like a subtle digital signature embedded into text produced by AI. Similar to how artists sign their work or how photographers use watermarks to protect their images, this tool embeds a unique, invisible code into AI-generated content. Here's the best part. This watermarking doesn't change how the text looks or reads to us as humans. It's completely invisible in terms of readability, but if you know how to look for it, you can trace the origin of the text and identify it as AI-generated. Why does Google believe this is so important? With the explosion of AI-generated content, from social media posts and news articles to academic papers and even novels, there's a growing need for transparency. As AI tools become increasingly sophisticated, it's becoming harder to tell what's machine-made versus human-written. Google's watermarking tool is designed to help people distinguish between the two, creating a new layer of accountability. Imagine a world where misinformation, fake news, and even spam could be managed more effectively just by verifying the source of content. So how does Google's watermarking tool actually work? This watermarking technique uses something called steganography, the art of hiding messages in plain sight. Essentially, the watermark is embedded into the AI-generated text using subtle, almost undetectable tweaks in the language. For example, it might change word choice, sentence structure, or punctuation in a way that's invisible to readers but creates a unique digital signature. When a piece of AI-generated text is scanned with a specialized tool, these tiny changes serve as markers, revealing that it was, indeed, produced by a machine. Here's where it gets interesting. By open-sourcing this tool, Google is essentially giving everyone, from developers to researchers and companies, the ability to integrate watermarking into their own AI systems. This move has huge implications. It makes it easier to build trust in AI-generated content because now people will know when they're reading something produced by AI. Google's open-source approach encourages innovation, allowing different industries to collaborate on a universal solution that can bring transparency to AI content worldwide. But like all technologies, watermarking isn't without its challenges. For one, this tool works best when detection tools are widely accessible. If only a small number of people can scan for these watermarks, it won't be as effective. Another challenge is that people who want to deceive might try to remove or alter these watermarks to pass off AI content as human-written. Although Google's watermarking is sophisticated, there's always a risk that bad actors might find ways to tamper with it. So what does this mean for the future of AI content? Google's watermarking tool is a significant step forward, but it's only one part of a larger picture. With AI continuing to evolve at an incredible pace, it's essential that technologies like this stay updated and accessible. Google's decision to open source it could foster collaboration, allowing a variety of industries to develop better tools and standards for identifying AI content. But here's a question to consider. As AI becomes more involved in our daily lives, how much do we want or need to know whether what we're reading was created by a machine? That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. More to come? See you next time.